Hey everybody, what an awesome day we have. We're going to be doing some duck and goose hunting today. I think it could be an absolutely epic hunt today. We've got a big snowstorm coming in behind us. As long as we don't get too much snow in the fields before it opens, I think it's going to be crazy. We're over here towards Beaver Dam hunting with our good friend Joe. And you know, Joe has been guiding this year for ducks and geese and having just a banner year with all the cold weather bringing these birds down. I think it's going to be a killer hunt. Hey, we've got a special guest today, and he did ride down with you. I wonder who it is. Oh my gosh. Hey Tim, how's it going?
Good, Larry.
I didn't realize that Kevin would let you out of the office over there at Feldman's.
Well, when you called me yesterday and said, hey, can you skip out of work?
Yeah.
I said, Kevin, this is work. And he said, go hunt with Larry.
It was that easy, huh?
It was that easy.
Oh, I love to hear that. Hey, so what's going on at Jiffy? I mean, it looks like we're going to have ice. I mean, they're already ice fishing in a lot of areas.
We've already got people fishing in the Dakotas, up in Canada. This week alone, we've gotten calls from our pro staff saying, we need our drills now, we need our drills now.
So it's a mad rush to get everything out too, huh?
It's all going out the door. Most of the drills will be out by Friday. So.
That's awesome. Hey, let's talk a little bit more about the things that Jiffy's got going on. Let's get out in the field because I think Sleepyhead, oh, there he is. The one and only, Mr. I get up at 2 o'clock, right? You were so full, Joe, you were so full of crap, man. I never got my text this morning.
Oh, come on now. How you
Joe.
doing?
Joe.
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Joe, what are you thinking about this morning?
Thinking that these birds are going to be a little antsy to get out to the field and get some food before it covers up.
Yeah, I mean, I think the timing is either going to be spot on, you know what, or it's either going to be a make or break.
It's a hit or miss, man.
Yeah.
It definitely is. Last night before the storm came, I was hearing a whole bunch of swans and a whole bunch of geese moving around all night long. So, it is what it is, but Horickon's still wide open and that's holding a ton of birds.
That's good. Let's get out in the
Let's
field.
go get 'em.
Let's go set up.
Let's go get him.
Hey, where's Mad Brad today?
He's already out in the field.
He is? Are you
We're
kidding?
waiting for you.
Oh, what do you mean? I've been here for a half hour. The plan is, Stan, is that the blind is coming together very well. If you would just let Tim and I do our thing, we would have this done. Your 2 cents millennial BS, you know what? It's not getting it done. Well, yeah, that simple job, a little light, right? Woo! Woohoo! Nice way to start off.
You know, you see one side is a lot longer than the other. You know why that is?
Oh gosh, everybody knows that because there's more.
Because there's more geese on that
Right,
side.
there's more. Not on that block, they're all dead. Woo!
Good field for us, baby.
God. That's cool. That is so cool. That was so cool. Hey, Hey, I'll tell you, Tim, you know, you definitely picked the right day to play hooky from Jiffy for sure. And you know, we've been on a couple other goose hunts in the last couple weeks, and the guides have done absolutely awesome jobs. But you know what, some days it's just, we are on what we always call, we are on the X today. This is where these birds want to be. Hunters.
Birds coming.
Nice shooting. Nice shot at the end there. Holy man. That was crazy.
Doing good so far. Got to do a little decoy adjustment, make them come in even better.
It's time for a little Leroy meets. A little elk ruffle. Oh, go down. Almost down. That's what breaks up the morning. Yeah. Oh, who shot? Who shot that? Oh my gosh! I got that one finally. I finally got one. I got one. I got one. I finally got one. Stop.
Hey.
Stop! Wait a minute!
I think we're limited out.
Hey Joel, I think my wife's gonna be a little bit mad at me for sneaking out this morning and leaving her with all this snow to shovel, but you know what? So we talked last night about how many birds were coming in this field yesterday, and you said if we get too much snow, it might not happen at all. And why would that be?
It's just it just covers their feet up too much. You know?
Okay.
I mean, if we would have woke up and we already had this much snow on the ground, I probably went to, it would have been like an afternoon they hunt, you know, the birds would have sat on the water a lot longer and they would have let the snow finish before they went out to the field and started working at it.
Hey, let's talk a little bit about the way the dogs worked today. I mean, that was absolutely, some of them birds sailed across the field and these dogs did a great job.
Yeah, and that's that gentleman right there on the end. I mean, it's all, he's trained both of these dogs and he just does a fantastic job, and these dogs do nothing but work. They work their butts off out here for it.
Yeah, I'm very proud of both of them. They did work really well. I got Sly that's had quite a few birds shot over them through the past few years, and then we got Maverick here, who's just a young guy right here, an 8-month-old young puppy, and going out and picking up those great big geese. That's just amazing.
That is amazing. Hey, if somebody's got a dog and they want to get it trained, how can they get a hold of you?
You just get a hold of me. I can give a number, 262-355-6010, and they can call me up and we can talk about their dog and how they want their dog to get trained.
Hey, Joel, if people want to get a hold of you, let's tell everybody at home how they can do it.
Again, 414-940-8791 is my phone number. And email is jr.rinderly@icloud.com.
That's awesome. Hey everybody, thanks for watching our show this week. Make sure you check out all of our social media, especially our YouTube channel. We put things on there each and every week that we don't put on network, so check that out. Hey, make sure everybody checks out this link below because Wings Over Wisconsin is got a raffle for this great UTV too. And remember, like I always say, what a great day it is to be alive.